The U.S. inflation report is hands down one of the most important things that the Federal Reserve watches ahead of a central bank rate decision. It helps them determine whether they want to cut interest rates or not. It is single-handedly the reason why this chart has been on a tear. This chart of gold has been driven sharply higher because of the market expecting the Federal Reserve to cut. And in the latest move, we saw it push even higher than that after the weaker producer price report. Now, we have CPI coming up. Can that surprise too as well? Let's take a look at what the numbers show us. So if we take a look at the calendar, you will see that the reason why we saw these gold prices move upwards and the dollar fall is because producer prices surprised to the downside. Now, producer prices is a leading indicator for consumer prices. Not 100% of the time accurate, but it's a good leading indicator. So the market actually expects consumer prices, CPI down here, to grow at a faster pace. Now, could that happen? Based upon PPI, doesn't look likely because PPI turned negative. This is the first time that we've actually seen producer prices drop since April of 2025. In April and May, we saw producer prices drop. What happened in CPI at the time? Taking a look here, in April, we actually saw consumer prices drop as well. And look, the little orange line is the forecast. The market actually forecasted a rise, but it dropped. And then in May, it also fell short of expectations. So from these numbers, it suggests to us we could see a CPI surprise to the downside. It's definitely a possibility that we all have to be prepared for. What does this mean for traders? Well, if we get CPI surprising to the downside, that will be positive for gold. But if it surprises the upside that the market expects, that's going to drive gold lower. As for the US dollar, we've already seen the US dollar fall after the PPI report. If it surprises to the downside, more weakness. If it surprises to the upside, then some strength. I'll keep you all updated. This is Lien with BK Traders.